Here we have installation at a condo on a concrete floor with Mannington Adura rigid. 615 square feet in this whole area. It's a living room, dining room. In the kitchen area, we have a ceramic tile, which we'll be skimming over to smooth out the grout lines. And we'll have to put a reducer in the doorway. And we're gonna run it down this hallway in the closets. These two bedrooms are gonna have carpet in it when the floor is finished. So we're just getting ready to start the installation, and we will continue. Take about 2 days or so to finish, putting all moldings, quarter-round moldings and edges where appropriate. So this job is underway. And here is the installation underway. Getting started, working out of this dining area into the larger area. The bathroom here, the ceramic tile. We skim coated the ceramic tile to smooth it out and installing it right over that with the transition over there. And continuing right down into the hallway. So again, well underway, 615 square feet of Adura rigid in this condo, and it's looking good. And here we have the finished project installation of Mannington Adura rigid. Swiss oak is the style, Nougat is the color, with this beige green simple look, little distressing, little knotting going on, but a more of a plain look. And we installed it completely in the kitchen. We had to skim coat the ceramic tile, finished it with a matching reducer there, ran it all the way down the hallway and in the closets, installing end caps here because carpet's going to be going up to it. So this completes this project. Again, 615 square feet, Dura rigid. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other installation videos of other categories of flooring, carpet, vinyl, etc. And while you're there, if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it would be gratefully appreciated. And thank you for watching.